Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Anna and I'm a little bit spooky. Today we're playing with the Naked Cherry again, and I wanted to do something really featuring the liner called Love Drug from the Naked Cherry collection because it's so pretty. And it's just a really nice like purpley kind of cranberry tone, and I thought we'll just have that be kind of the focal point of the eyes and then do a bold lip using the shade Cherry from the collection as well. And this is the look complete. We did glowy skin, kind of lighter coverage. Didn't go ham on the eyeshadow, kind of kept things soft and subtle today. I know, who am I? I know, stepping out of my usual a little bit. You gotta step out of your comfort zone every now and then, try something new. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. But before you do, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Comment down below, let me know some more looks you would like to see. Without further ado, let's get into this look. You guys have a new cup? I got a new cup. I love it. I think it's so pretty. I kind of want my whole house to look like this cup. Okay, so I want to do something a little bit different today with the Decay Cherry. I was thinking of really like featuring the eyeliner in the shade Love Drug that came with the collection. And I wanted to do just a huge wing with it and just maybe keep the eyeshadow a little more minimal and have the focus just be on this liner. So what I'm gonna do first though is go in with the shade, well no, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone, duh. So I'm gonna take Hot Spot just under the brow bone. I've already primed my eyes and did all that. Obviously done my brows. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to go into the shade Caution, which I haven't used yet. It's kind of an odd, like, light tan. I don't know how to really describe the shade. Parchment. I'm going to take that through the transition and see what it does. It doesn't look like it will do much looking at it in the pan, but it's definitely doing a nice little transition action here. That's one thing I noticed with this palette. These shades are more pigmented than what they appear and a little bit different than what they appear. That's actually quite nice. I am actually on a day schedule today. It is morning and I am filming, and I honestly feel so much happier being on a day schedule. I missed it. I think I'm going to take a little bit of Feels next, which is more of a dustier shade. I'm going to take it on the same brush and just take it a little bit lower in the transition. All those, yeah, those play nice together. I'm kind of pulling it out, blending it out a little bit towards the tail of the brow because we're doing a wing, so I want the eyeshadow to mimic that. I'm going to take this on a little bit more of a concentrated brush. Let's go in with a M533. I'm just going to focus it a little more. Following my bone shape rather than crease. So a good tip if you have hooded eyes or semi-hooded eyes, follow your orbital bone or your brow bone rather than your crease and create a new crease. Oh yeah, looking good. I'm having fun with this palette. And since we're on lockdown, no telling when my friend's gonna get it back. I was like, oh, I'm just gonna borrow it for like a week or two. Yeah, it's been a lot longer than that. Okay, now I'm gonna jump back into Caution a little bit. Just take that around this edge. Take a little bit of Devilish, just a touch of Devilish, just a teensy amount into the crease. Focusing it more just right out here for now, and I'll decide if I want to add more later. Now I'm gonna take a little flat brush, and I'm gonna take Hot Spot, and I'm gonna take that on the lid. Up to where we applied our crease shades. I'm just gonna sweeping it right there. Just so the eyeshadow has a little bit more of a lift to it. Yeah, that's really pretty. It's very soft and pretty. It still kind of has a slight cut crease vibe to it. Alright, let's do our liner now. We're going to go in with Love Drug from the Urban 24/7 Glide On Pencil. And this is like it's a little more purple than a garnet. It's like a deep cranberry, slightly metallic. And I'm going to line my upper lash line and then do a wing. So it looks more like purple on the lid. Still very pretty. It's a lovely eyeliner shade. Before that sets down, I'm going to take an angled brush and just kind of swoop it or smooth it out. I'm going to bring it all the way in. Just kind of thicken up a little bit where I want to. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to repeat this on the other eye. Okay, and wings are done. I think I might want to take a little bit more definition just on this outer part of the crease. So I'm gonna take let's take this little guy, a Morphe 506. I'm gonna take a little bit of Devilish. Just concentrate right in here. Yeah, that little bit just pulls it together, doesn't it? I'm gonna take some more Devilish though and like focus it really into this crease and define it. And then softly blend it up. Take a little bit of feels in the same brush. Back on my other brush, I was using the 433 with feels and just blend it. Okay. Wow, that is basically the eyes done. I'm gonna leave the lower lash line bare for the moment. I'll go ahead and do my face and we'll be back for the finishing touches. We'll be right back. So I went ahead and finished up skin. Let's go ahead and jump into some highlighter. I think I'm going to use You Glow Girl from Wet n Wild. And take this just on the cheekbones here. I'm going with this one because it has kind of a pinky tone to it. But I decided to keep the skin kind of light and not so full coverage today. Soft. So I thought it would look nice with this look. Kind of been into that lately. Lighter coverage moments. But for foundation, I use the number 7 Protect and Perfect, the number 7 Press Powder, which I can't think of the name of at the moment. I'll put it on the screen, and I also used some contour and bronzer. Nothing too special. Now for blush, I don't know what I want to use, because I don't want to use Tea Rose again from Milani, because I just used that. But it's kind of like the perfect blush for this look. Damn it. You know what, let's use this one from the Tarte palette, the Tarte's Contour palette. There's a really pretty blush in this. There's a nice mauve tone. So we'll use it on my little blush brush here. Just gonna marry that highlighter in. I was thinking about the lower lash line. I think I kind of want to maybe just put a little bit, just a touch of feels along it. Just for a little bit of definition. I don't like having like nothing under there. I don't know why. I'm just gonna take the brush that comes with the Naked Cherry palette here. The little pencil brush side. I'm gonna take a little bit of feels on the tip and just kind of, right, just right here. I just don't like a bare lower lash line, I guess. Like I try to do a look with it and I'm just like, no, it just didn't feel finished to me. That's just me though. I see it on other people and think it's so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna take the little fluffy blendy end. Just soften that. Yeah, see, that just looks a little more finished to me. Now I'm gonna take Bang Bang, just that lightest shimmer in the palette. I'm gonna put this right here. I'm just gonna put that on the inner portion of the lower lash line. Alright, so I'm gonna take a little bit of my face highlighter and highlight the inner corner. Get a nice little glow in there. I'm gonna hit below the eyebrow, just top of the brow bone here, just for a little bit more glow. Okay, I think that is kind of all I want to do for this look. Honestly, for the face. For lips, I think I do want to go a little bit bolder on the lips. Lip liner, I'm gonna use Vintage from NYX. This is a suede lip liner. And now I'm going to take Liquid Catsuit from Wet n Wild and Goth Topic. Alright, and over top of this, I'm going to put just a little bit of Devilish in the center and see how this looks. Nope, hate it. No. Not today, Satan. Not today. Alright, so we're going to take Cherry. Cherry's pretty similar to Goth Topic. It's just a little light. Okay, let's do some lashes. And I think I'm just going to do mascara. I don't want to do falsies. I just don't feel like fooling around with lash glue today. And I'm going to take the Falsies Lash Lift from Maybelline. Okay, and over top of that, I'm going to take a little bit of the Snap Mascara from Maybelline in Black Cherry. It doesn't really do much over black mascara. It's essentially black, but I feel like it does something. I do have a review of the Snap Mascaras over on my blog. I'll link it below. Alright, I'm going to run some brow gel through my brows real quick and zhuzh my hair, and we'll be back for the final thoughts and finished look. Okay, and here is the look fully complete. I think it came out really pretty. It's nice. It's something a little different than I normally do. I'm usually like either like super dramatic or like kind of, I don't know, this is a little more simple, pulled back, restrained on the eye makeup for me. I like doing just a little bit of a colored liner and then the bold lip. I think it looks really nice. Everything's very harmonious and monochromatic, ties in together, and yeah, I think it came out great. I had a nice time creating it, and that is all for today. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below. Leave me an emoji or something. Let me know you made it all the way through this little video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay spooky, stay safe, stay home. Bye now.